Quake Data Reporter is an app that can periodically check a United States Geological Survey public domain API for new earthquake data. The location of an earthquake is displayed on a map, the map automatically scrolling to the location of the latest earthquake following an update to the app's in-memory data set. Within app lists of earthquake data, selecting any data tile moves the map to the location of the earthquake. The app uses a local store of OpenTopoMap tiles rather than a remote map tiles API. These tiles are built on OpenStreetMap data and therefore, a copyright of OpenStreetMap contributors. And also, SRTM map display, copyright OpenTopoMap, CC by SA, Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike. Quake Data Reporter is not a product of, or endorsed by, any of the organizations mentioned up to this point. Now follows a few minutes of video, wandering around the app in use. Thank you for watching.